In today's video, we will compare two popular dash cams, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view and the GKU dash cam. We will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view boasts 4 channels, providing a complete 360-degree view around your vehicle. In contrast, the GKU dash cam features only 2 channels, offering front and rear coverage. This makes the PRUVEEO a better option for those seeking comprehensive surveillance. When it comes to resolution, the GKU dash cam takes the lead with its 4K front camera, providing superior image quality. The PRUVEEO, however, offers 1080p resolution across all channels, which is still decent, but not as high as the GKU's front camera. The GKU dash cam features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which allows for faster data transfer compared to the PRUVEEO's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This means that users of the GKU can enjoy quicker access to their recordings and smoother app performance. In conclusion, both dash cams have their strengths. The PRUVEEO offers comprehensive coverage with its 4 channels, while the GKU excels in video quality with its 4K front camera. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.